What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. As you can see, my hair is straight. I washed it, conditioned it, blew it out, and then I did straighten it a little bit with my Conair flat iron, and then I had my cousin trim my ends. So yes, my hair is shorter, but the ends needed to be trimmed, so I'm okay with that. Health over length all the time, right? She said my hair did not look real bad, considering I haven't been to a stylist in forever. But she did cut off about 2 inches. I'm okay with it. It'll grow back. I have no doubt of that. But I do have somewhere to go today, and I want some semblance of wave in my hair, hopefully. So I'm going to use this little contraption again. I've used it before on my channel. I'm gonna use it again because I want my hair to dry fairly quickly, or I just want some bend in my hair, and I don't really want to put any more heat on it, especially after she just fixed my ends for me. So I am going to I think last time I used Mousse. Trying to figure out if I want to use cream this time, but it needs to dry fairly quickly. We're gonna try some mousse today, guys, and now we're going to try the Donna's Recipe whipped vanilla cream curl defining mousse. Remember, I showed y'all that I got this in, so let's just try it today and see how it works. So I'm going to just take a little bit of it, and I'm going to just put it all over my hair real quick, and then I'm going to start twisting. I don't want to put too much because I do want it to dry, but I'll put a little bit, and I guess if I have to sit under the dryer, I'll sit under the dryer. Guys, this is the hardest side to do because of I'm right-handed, so it's kind of harder for me to do this side. But we're gonna see. It smells good. It does smell like, it does have a bit of a vanilla scent to it. Where's my other thing like this? Guys, I don't know what I did with it, but anyway. All right, I gotta hurry up because I'm on a time crunch. So I'm gonna put it all over first, and then I'll take sections. I'm gonna tell y'all now, this I haven't done this for a while, so it can be kind of you got to get your coordination together. I'll say that, definitely got to get your coordination together with this. I thought last time I did this side easier, but shoot, both sides are hard today. But we're gonna go with it, guys. We're gonna go with it. And then I'm just gonna use this satin scrunchie. So we'll put it on there. And okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. I know my camera cut off, and I had planned on coming back on with the thing still in my hair and saying, hey, the camera cut off, blah, 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 blah. But I forgot to come back. And then I'm like, okay, I got to get out of here. And my hair may not be dry. So I took the, what's it called? Soft roller or whatever out to test. And my hair still was a little bit wet. So I just left it out and sat under the dryer real quick. Just trying to at least lock in a little bit of curl that I got. And guys, I haven't fluffed it out or anything, but it's fallen. Even under the dryer, it was falling. Saying all that to say that I have to take this off, and I couldn't take it off with the thing going and everything. So I'm going to take this off and try to put on a little bit of makeup and come back, and then we're going to fluff the hair out. And I'm going to show y'all that now because I got to leave. It's raining outside. The hair is not going to last. It's not going to last, but I will let y'all see what I can and talk about the Donna's recipe just a little bit from what I could gather from this. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just put on a sweater and just a little bit of foundation and bronzer. Just have some gloss on my lips because my lip color is downstairs in my purse. But wanted to get on real quick and just kind of comb through or finger through these curls, which are a little frizzy because again they didn't dry all the way and they weren't on the roller real well. That's me, that's my fault, but I don't mind that. You guys know I don't mind a little bit of frizz, and like I said, it's raining, so this hair is going to end up underneath a hat or something like that anyway. But let me just pull through. So what I will say, filling my hair and taking it down, is that this Donna recipe curl defining mousse definitely has a little bit of a hold. I can feel some hold on the ends of my curls, and I'll have to literally pull them apart. So I will say that about it. Of course, I want to try Donna's recipe mousse again when I'm not in a rush. But all in all, it does have some hold, but my hair still feels soft to the touch and everything. And yeah, this is how my hair looks, guys. Now my battery is about to run out. So just wanted to show you the hair real quick after being trimmed, straightened, and put on that little rod for what, maybe an hour, if that. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like, guys. I like it. So hopefully y'all saw the back. Hopefully it zoomed in and focused for you, but I can't worry about it now because I got to get out of here. So yeah, I'm going to take a hat or a scrunchie or something with me to pull my hair back because like I said, it's raining, so it's not going to last. But all in all, I like the smell of this. I like that it has some hold, and I am anxious to try it again. So those are my initial thoughts on the Donna's recipe whipped vanilla cream curl defining mousse. If you guys have used it, let us know what you think about it in the comment section below. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.